The parts are all laid out here for the carcass of a dressing, no, not a dressing table. This is a card table or a folding table. It's a Sheraton folding table. And I want to see if I can dry fit this. I've got the back rail here with the filler. Back here will be the hinge for the back leg to swing out. So to start, I want to connect this left hand apron. This is a dovetail joint back here. So I want to connect this. This connects like this, and let me see if I can kind of work that down. All right, so let me just over here and see if I got the top. Yes, top. Now that has to go down another 1/8 of an inch. There we go. Now it's flush here because the back leg, the rotating back leg, is got a recess here that will fold over this back end of this left apron. Now, what do I want to do? I will connect the left leg and the right leg, right back leg, and this piece here. This is the apron for the right side. This is the back leg with sockets. All right. Then this goes in here, but what I will do first, here's the hinge for the swinging leg, and this tenons into this back leg like this. That's tight. Then the leg that swings is the left rear leg, and here's the matching joint here. So let me see if I can get that pin in there. All right, that's in there. So this is like that. Now, I've left this long intentionally because I'm not going to be able to cut this to exact length until everything is glued together, because this part has to fit exactly over the back end of this left apron here. Now this goes in here like this, let me just let that leg fall back and then see if I can get this in. There will be a corner block that goes in here that screws into the apron and into the back filler. So that's done. Now to figure out how to get the rest of this together. The front leg is here. That goes into there. There'll be a corner block here as well that'll screw into the leg. Now, the front stretcher will be covered with veneer, and that just has a stub tenon there to help pull it together. Now, can I actually do this? Get this leg in here. There's enough flexibility, yes. And I hope I'm still in the picture of the camera. Okay. That's about it. Then this has got to come out like this. Now everything's falling apart here. Oh, I see. Well, anyway, you get the idea. This is long right now. I'll cut that after I get this all together. I've got a little bit of work to do back here on this end. And then I got these corner blocks that go in here to help support everything.